Welcome to Rubik's Fever. The wait is over. In this video, we are finally going to finish the 4x4 Revenge Cube.
As you can see, we have solved centers and edge pieces. Now you have to consider the four middle pieces as one center piece and these two pieces as one piece. Now we can solve it as 3x3. If you need any help, please refer to the video series of 3x3 cube. In 3x3 cube, we encountered some situations where pieces were in specific forms like angle, line, plus, dull. But here in Revenge Cube, you might see this situation where none of those forms can be found. Let's call it one flipped edge. And to solve that, we will do Ri U2 times L F2 times Li F2 times R2 times U2 times R U2 times Ri U2 times F2 times R2 times F2 times. Once it gets fixed, you can continue solving it as 3x3 cube. You may encounter with a situation where two corners might not be in the right positions, like this. In this case, we will do small r 2 times, big U 2 times, small r 2 times, UU 2 times, R 2 times, big U and small u 2 times. Once you get all corners in the right position, continue operating as a 3x3 cube. And that's it. You get Revenge Cube solved.
This is how we solve 4x4 cube. Here is a small game. Comment below what cube I will solve next and try to get the right guess.